mealworms, fried, whatever they are, grasshoppers, whatever you want to call them, and also lovely fried crickets.
What's up?
Come on, mate. Let's spit it out.
Oh. What's going on?
What even are we doing here again?
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you're all having a fantastic day.
I don't, because we're not. So if
Yeah.
we're not, you're not.
Today, ladies and gents, we are doing an episode of the CPTV restaurant. You've seen...
Oh no!
Oh, not this guy!
Who is this
What
guy?
I did?
Who
Did you win it?
Who invited
It's
it?
us.
It was
It was
you.
you.
It was me.
Oh, for
What are you
God's doing
Yeah,
here?
why are you doing it?
Oh, just,
Welcome to the CPTV restaurant, son.
oh, Jesus Christ.
I bet you don't know what we've got planned today.
Today, we're
No,
doing a
don't-
CPTV
don't
restaurant. You've seen the CPTV hairdressing studio, but have you seen...
Don't I just?
But have you seen the CPTV restaurant? That's the real question.
I have.
Have you been to one before?
No.
You are
Yes.
going to today. Don't worry about that, son. We're going to get you lined right up.
Oh,
What we got planned today, mate? Because I'm getting bored. This
Let's
is so
show you. Let's show
boring.
you what we're going to be eating and what we're going to be doing. We have the following ingredients: carton of eggs. Carton. Listen, it's a carton of eggs. Yeah. Where's the lamb sauce?
Where's the lamb sauce?
I don't know where the lamb sauce is. Where's the lamb sauce?
Madam!
And also, we have this. We also have the following ingredients: mealworms, fried, whatever they are, grasshoppers, whatever you want to call them, and also lovely fried crickets.
What's this? Raw! Raw! Fucking raw!
Oh, I thought.
Madam! Madam!
I don't know.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
I'm sorry.
Oh wait, I'm the chef.
Yeah.
Yeah, so take your jacket off and fuck off.
They cook perfectly, they cook perfectly.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Kitchen. Take your jacket and fuck off!
Master Chef gone wrong.
Right, boys, what are we doing with these ingredients?
We are making an omelette. With each of these ingredients, it's going to be a cricket omelette, a grasshopper omelette, and a mealworm omelette. I was going to get my words mixed up there, but each of us are going to have to eat it. If we don't eat one of those omelettes, whatever one we don't eat, we have to take a spoonful of pure bug.
Wait.
It'll be these two first.
Wait. Pure bug.
So you say it's us two first?
Yeah.
You're up first, mate. Let's get cooking these omelettes, lads. So, we're cooking up the omelette now. Boys, it's just a normal omelette. We've got to add the ingredients.
It's okay, I want a bigger handful.
Oh, you not.
Oh, it stinks.
God, this is definitely a celebrity gone wrong.
Hang on, let's put that in there. Let's see that omelette, son. Oh, that is one dirty omelette.
I love it. I love it.
Oh,
I love omelettes, but this is like, nah.
This is next level CPTV restaurant, mate. Oh, we'll be back when that's cooked properly. This is sick. So can someone explain what the rules are now?
The rules are, you have to pick, you deserve a slap. And you. There are going to be 4 things in a hat. Crickets.
Put your hat down.
Crickets, grasshoppers, mealworms, and gherkins, mealworms and crickets.
So one's mixed, one's mealworms, one's grasshoppers. Whoever chooses what out of the hat is what they're going to eat.
Exactly what I just said. Exactly.
Okay, boys, I'll go first.
I want to go first.
Cool, whatever you pick out, I'm having. I'm
Alright,
just joking, take it, I don't want it.
someone open my fate for me, please.
And it is.
It is.
No! Mix! Oh!
Yeah!
I knew I was going to get the most sick and twisted one here.
Okay, my one.
What is your fate, son? No, he's got
My
grasshoppers.
fate is-
Grasshoppers.
Cricket!
Oh!
The worst. That's the worst.
Oh! How do you feel I feel? I feel mixed.
Yeah, but he's got 4 spiky crickets.
Alright, what's your fate? Mealworms
Please be grass.
and grasshoppers.
Please be
Oh,
grasshoppers.
mealworms, please.
Actually, I want to switch. I haven't read it. Do you want to? Are you happy to switch?
I don't mind.
Swap.
Grasshoppers,
Please
mealworms.
be grasshoppers. Please be grasshoppers.
Mealworms.
I got the grasshoppers.
Told ya.
Switched as well.
Told you, boys.
They're soggy as hell.
Right, let's get into it, shall we? Here's your meal of the day, sir. It looks like shit. It looks like shit. It probably tastes like shit. It probably is shit. We have some for you as well, lads.
No, I don't need any. I'm not so hungry anymore.
Yeah.
This is
I'm
the
starving,
CPTV
so you won't
restaurant.
eat it.
Mealworms. Oh, and for you, my son.
And do you know what? I actually had a takeaway just earlier.
Yeah, we both share
Yeah.
dinner together.
Yeah, well,
We're quite
fuck your takeaway because you're now in the CPTV
Oh,
restaurant.
it's a little soggy.
Oh my god, no, it's gonna
And then obviously I've got my mixed one, so let's get into this.
Why is yours
Especially
better?
on the
Fuck you!
Is it like? Oh,
Fuck
yeah,
you!
no, that's creepy.
Fuck you and all! What'd you do?
Nothing.
No, it's just the way you were saying it.
Okay, now we're gonna attempt to eat this.
Yep.
I'll go first.
Well then.
3, 2, 1.
Keep it in.
Keep it in. Oh,
Don't spit it out.
oh.
Told you it'd be the first one. On his own plate as well.
Come with me and you'll be. Oh, that's
Bad of it.
wrong. Oh my god, don't. You dare.
I don't want to play anymore!
I don't want to do this anymore.
I don't want to be Jesus one.
You've still got one more white to go.
Yeah. Get it good. Oh my god, that good. It was horrible.
One more bite, go.
Oh my god, I'm glad I'm smelling my own clothes, to be honest.
It's like you with saliva on it as well.
Can he spit it out? He hasn't even swallowed one bit yet.
My eyes are watering!
Yeah, we can see that.
Oh, this is sick!
Yeah!
Yeah! We all get 1, 2 attempts, so this is our first attempt, and you've got to do it again after if you fail.
You have
If you like
You
it.
failed. You
Yeah,
failed.
you
You
failed.
failed.
You haven't even swallowed it.
Right, Dan, it's your
And they
go.
failed again.
Oh, I can't do
Right,
it.
next.
Right, go. 3, 2, 1.
Go on, son.
Go on, mate. Yeah.
Disgusting. You got crickets, I got mixed, mate. One more mouthful, it's got to be a big mouthful here. Oh, you're wrong. Right, I want a mouthful for this.
They're not actually that bad, like Steve said. I'm not gonna lie.
No, you've got to have like 4 of them on there, mate.
Oh, fuck off.
So I have 2 of them on there.
2 of them on there.
Oh, shit.
Oh, this is wrong.
Hang on. I've got to fucking find a bit, but
There you go, yes. Go on, get that in there.
Oh, we
Hey!
I want a bit, I want
He wants more egg.
yeah, I can't taste it that way then.
Come on, son. Oh, this is wrong.
There you go.
Right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, oh my god.
5, 4, 3. Oh, I'm gonna be,
What was that?
Oh!
I'm gonna be sick.
David, yeah.
I'm gonna be sick.
By the way, you said, right, you got 1 round to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the second round, you got another chance to do it. Dan's just done 2 for nothing.
Yeah, Dan's just done 2 for nothing. Because you failed both of yours.
Oh,
Because you never
God.
swallowed any of
It's
them.
my son.
Just do.
Oh. 5, 4.
Oh dear. Come on, mate, you got to swallow it, I'll make you have to do it again.
Well, at least I swallowed mine. There's a bit of mealworm.
Right, no, 1 more mouthful. There's Stevie's son.
Right, they ain't crispy anymore, are
A
they?
quick chew and a quick swallow. Try to think about it.
That's a milk for Ken.
Stephen, you're up. Stephen, you're up. Right, I have to eat a handful of mealworms because I went live on Facebook and they said if I do that, I'll have to eat a handful of mealworms. I've already been sick twice. Do you want me to be sick again?
You can either eat a handful of mealworms
Or mealworm.
or a piece of mealworm omelette.
Give me the mealworm omelette.
Oh, I have to think a bit for you there.
You have to
Right,
eat
right
it,
then.
not spit it out.
There.
This is disgusting. Right, come on then.
You're trying to do it, it's kind of hard, they're a bit slippery.
In fact, they're very fucking slippery.
Let me move my food out of the way. I've already thrown up on that
Yeah,
once.
put that up there, I'm saying.
Right, go on then.
You have to chew it as well.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, don't swallow, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, come on!
Of course you do.
We've all swallowed well.
Go on.
I've swallowed two. And
Come on, man.
I'm gonna be sick.
Just eat it.
Go on.
Oh, that's just right.
3, 2, 1.
He didn't even start chewing.
Chew it. All of it gone.
Chew it.
Man.
Get away. Get away.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
You make me sick
To my stomach.
Alright, that's it.
Huh?
It's time to move on now.
To you.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
It's your turn.
I'm ready, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Do you like that?
Nice and spicy. Oh, you sure?
That looks nice, mate.
Oh, I think he's got one. He's got one so far.
Oh, he's gagging! He's gagging!
Oh, he's got one.
Good lad! Right, next one.
That's 1 meal for camp.
That's one.
Excuse me, I've got 1 meal for camp.
I've got 2 meals.
Sorry to disappoint you all.
You got 9 meals.
Yeah.
No meals, mate.
He's a fucking Gillian.
The one I'm fainting.
Right, ready?
That's it. Don't worry about the egg. Just a minute.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he's got 2 grasshoppers on there. If you're gonna be sick
He's
over
gonna be
Dan.
sick!
Do it over Dan.
Pretend it's like a nice.
He's done it!
Yes.
Wow! What a lad!
One star restaurant. I'd
You've
say.
got no meals for camp! I'm joking.
You've got no meals for camp.
Now you got to
Right.
get a pickle. Oh.
Now it's my last chance
Mate.
to do this.
Okay.
Even though I throw up on my own plate, now I have to eat my sick.
Oh.
This is where it gets nasty, ladies and gentlemen. I've thrown up on this plate how many times?
Don't even breathe on me.
Quite a few.
Quite a few, and I've got to eat off it again. I'm a wrong, you're the one that told me to do it!
Shield your eyes. It's okay.
God, look.
Oh my god. I want a gherkin on there as well.
There you go, have a gherkin on there.
Oh, it's nice and solid. Oh yeah, a big mouthful.
Look at that!
3, 2, 1, go.
I can't do it!
Go.
Just go, man.
Just go. Quickly
He's
in.
not even put it in his mouth when he's laughing it. Oh. Oh. I want mealworm on me fucking leg. No, I don't want to be part of that. Oh, my... Lad, seriously. Oh my god. No.
You stay there.
Oh my god. He's dropped the gherkin. That's foul play, that.
That's done. I'm done.
Okay, we've had to come outside to do the outro.
Oh my god, you scared the poo out of me.
I just couldn't do it, guys. That
Yeah,
was
we couldn't be
disgusting.
in there.
I think that was really delicious.
Oh, what, do you want to come to the next CPTV restaurant?
I do indeed.
Chili pizza food.
I'm going to give you a 5-star rating.
We're hearing that. We're hearing that.
5 star. We got 5-star rating.
Guys.
We got 5-star rating on our hairdressers as well.
We're
We're
just
doing well for
gonna,
business.
we're just going to give these guys a little bit of a spoiler, not too much of a spoiler, but 12 Days of Christmas Chaos is coming, and you said you want to be a part of the next
Yeah!
Well, guess what?
Yeah!
We're eating turkey lot, so good luck.
I'll do that.
And we have
Nice.
we have a new merch drop coming, guys. What? Excuse me.
What?
What is this?
You interrupt me all the time. What is this? What is this?
We have a new merch drop coming, so make sure you check it out in the next video because the merch is looking fire. Anyway, we look forward to seeing you all in the next video, boys and girls.
Yeah!